Hey guys, good morning. Today is Monday, April 20th, 2020. I hope that you guys had a fantastic weekend. I definitely had a nice weekend myself. Yesterday was absolutely gorgeous. I was able to go outside, get some fresh air. So that was really nice, actually. So here we go, a quick rundown for today's activities. So what you're going to do is watch my daily video. We have a Zoom session today at 1 o'clock, just so you know. It'd be great to see you guys all there. It is in honor of Earth Day, so it is wear green or blue. And what you are going to do is a walkthrough activity. So what you're going to do is click on this link, and I'm going to show you because it looks a little bit different than your usual Google form. So for this activity, you are going to obviously type your name. And then it gives you kind of like little messages. So you've just been hired as a talk show host who interviews famous people from history. You're provided with an image of your first interviewee. You must describe the person and create a backstory for them. Are you up for the challenge? You decide, and then you look at this photo, and then you're going to provide your answer. Make your best judgment on the following questions based on the image above. So how old is he? Where is he from? Why are you interviewing him? How would you describe his personality? And so you're going to obviously type your name, make a decision, and then you are going to type your answer. You see at the bottom here, there's 5 different pages, guys. Okay, so there's 5 different setups of these activities or these little assignments. So you're on page 1 of 5. Then once you're done, you hit next. Then now you have had a career change. You switched jobs and are now a reporter at The Guardian. Describe the photo. Then you're going to type it in, and then you're going to keep on going until you get to a video. You watch the video, find out what happened. Then you're going to go to this. You're going to look at the picture, you're going to answer. You're going to click on this link, and you're going to either read it or listen to it. When you open it, it's going to take you to this page, and you can either read through it. This is a personal account from the woman in the picture. Or if you get to the bottom, there's an audio version that you can then click and it'll read it to you. Okay, guys? Then you hit next. Now I'm on my final page. So there are a few final images. You scroll through them and then answer these final 2 questions and then hit submit. Okay? And then once you hit submit, it says social justice through images. Your response has been recorded. Now, say for instance, now that you just saw how many questions it is, I don't think it's too bad, but say for instance, you don't think you're going to be able to finish it today. What you are going to do, and I'm showing you this right now, you can go back to edit this. You can, but you have to follow these exact steps. So what you do is you click edit your response. When you click edit your response, this thing is going to pop up at the bottom, okay, where it says you're editing your response. Sharing this URL allows other people to edit it as well. So what you have to do is either bookmark this tab, so that way you'll be able to find it in your bookmarks later. So there you go, social through just, you would save it, and then you can find it in your bookmarks bar. It's somewhere in my bookmarks bar. I don't know where I ended up putting it, but it's definitely somewhere there. Or what you do is take this, you hit Control C, and then you will put it somewhere in an email or some sort where you then can go back and open it again. So this link would then bring you directly to your submitted form. Okay, guys, so that's how you would be able to revisit this. I think you guys can do it all in one shot, but if for some reason you can't, this is also going to be part of your assignment tomorrow. So I'm going to give tomorrow is going to be kind of like a low key kind of day. Okay, so that is what your assignment is for today. Then I'm going to just give you guys a quick quote. So don't let what you cannot do interfere with what you can do. And I think this quote's really important because a lot of times we think, I can't do that. You know, how many times in school you're like, I don't understand, I can't do that. I know I used to do that all the time, but maybe you can't do the final step of a problem, but you can get to that final step. But because you're so fixated on, I can't do it, I can't do it, I can't do it, then you haven't done any work. Whereas maybe you can get to a certain point. So I think it's really important for you guys to not let this kind of emotion and these thoughts overpower you, because your brain is a really powerful thing. It's really important. And your brain, you guys have this whole thing called mind over matter. So you guys have the power to think over something. And so keep that in mind. Don't let, what you cannot do interfere what you're able to do. And I think that's about it. So I hope to see you guys today during our Zoom session. And I hope you guys all have a great day. All right, guys. Happy Monday. Happy learning. Let me figure out how to turn this off today.